Here's a simple guide on how to assemble our Black Edition reformer. The first thing you want to do is lay out all the accessories next to each other. Ropes, foot strap, risers, shoulder pads, and hand and foot loops all laid out. First thing you want to do is to install the risers. As you can see, there's 3 different levels on the risers, and it's entirely up to you which level you install them at. Place the risers into the hole at the end of the reformer. Guide it down and meet the first screw hole with the screw at the end. Gently screw into position. Same for the next one. Make sure that the riser is at the same level as the first one that you just installed. Make sure they're nice and tight so that there's minimal movement in the risers. Next, you want to install the handlebars by screwing them into their position on the carriage. Then slot the shoulder pads into position, either wider if your clientele have broader shoulders, or more narrow. If you don't want to slot them into position and you want to make them a little bit more secure, there's a thread underneath the shoulder pad where you can screw it in underneath the carriage. Next step, really easy. Grab the foot strap and clip it into position at the end of the reformer. Next, take the rope and unravel. The loose end goes through the pulley and continues down towards the carriage. Then take the loose end, grab the pincers and open them. Thread it through and down the hole underneath the carriage. You can then pull it through and make it as tight or as loose as you want. Then, to attach the hand and foot straps, grab the loop from the rope and thread it through the loop of the hand and foot straps. Then grab the foot straps, thread it through the loop of the rope. Should look like this, and then when you pull it tight, it'll secure itself. Then same again on the other side, place the loose end through the pulley, bring it down towards the carriage, open the pincers and under the carriage and pull tight. Then lastly, like before, grab each loop, thread it through, then back on itself. So it looks like this, and pull it tight. And that is how you would assemble the Black Edition reformer.